Assalamualaikum. My name is aqu3032 My number metric is S70500 and for this subject, fish biology, and for this lab test, and I'm here to explain about the differences and similarities between these two fishes, yellowtail scat and torpedo scat. The scientific name for the yellowtail scat are called aqu3032, and the scientific name for this torpedo scat are called Megalaspis cordila. They both come from the same family, which is called Carangidae. They are both part of the order Perciform, which encompasses a wide variety of species. The next similarities is their habitat. They both preferred habitat subtropical and tropical waters. They can be found in coastal areas, bays and estuaries, and these two fish can be found easily in Malaysia. Next, we go to the diet. Both species are carnivorous, primarily feeding on small fish, plankton and crustacea, and the body shape are called fusiform. Torpedo scat and yellow scat share a streamlined body shape, which is typical of pelagic, fast-swimming fish adapted for life in open water. Next, we will talk about the differences between these two fishes. The first differences is the scientific classification. Torpedo scat, or in scientific name we will call Megalaspis cordila, belong to the genus Megalaspis, while yellowtail scat, Attulemate, is classified under the genus Attule. They have distinct taxonomic classification. The second differences that we will talk about is the sizes of these two fishes. Torpedo scat is generally larger than yellowtail scat. Torpedo scat can reach length up to 40 cm or more, while yellowtail scat tends to be smaller, typically around 20 to 25 cm. The next differences is the coloration between these two fishes. Yellowtail scat is named for its characteristic yellowish tint, particularly noticeable around its tail area, like this, while also having a silver coloration. Torpedo scat, while also having a silver coloration, lacks the pronounced yellow hue of the yellowtail scat. And next, we will talk about the geographical distribution. Torpedo scat is more widely distributed in the Indo-Pacific region, including the Indian Ocean, while yellowtail scat is found in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific Ocean. Next, and the fifth differences is schooling behavior. Yellowtail scat is known for forming larger schools near the water surface, while torpedo scat may exhibit different social structure, including various schooling behaviors. Next, we will talk about the external anatomy between these two fishes. First, we will talk about the pectoral fin. The torpedo scat pectoral fin is longer than the yellowtail scat pectoral fin. They both have a black spot between the operculum. And the next external anatomy is their pelvic fin. The pelvic fin of the yellowtail scat is shorter than the pelvic fin of the torpedo scat. They both have an anal fin. As you can see here, this is the anal fin of the torpedo scat, and this is anal fin of the yellowtail scat. Yellowtail scat is anal fin is generally shorter than the torpedo scat. Next, we will talk about the dorsal fin. They both have a spiny and soft dorsal fin, as you can see here. Next, we will talk about the tail of these two fishes. They both have a forked tail, and the differences between these two fishes, you can see, is the finlet. The torpedo scat has a finlet, while as you can see, the yellowtail scat doesn't have any finlet. And the next, we will talk about the mouth. The mouth of these two fishes. They both have a terminal type of mouth, and yellowtail scat mouth is generally a bit in front of the nose, while the torpedo scat is more symmetrical. Next is the lateral line of these two fishes. As you can see, the lateral line of yellowtail scat has a curve, while the lateral line in torpedo scat is straight. They both have a peduncle. Next, we will talk about the function of the fins in both of these fishes. First is the pectoral fin. The pectoral fin function is primarily responsible for stability and steering. They help the fish control its pitch and roll, allowing precise maneuvering and adjustment in the water. Next is the pelvic fin of both of these fishes. They function as a maintaining in balance and control, contributing to the fish stability. Additionally, pelvic fins are involved in controlling the fish depth in the water, so they can go up and down in the water. The third one is the caudal fin. They function as a propulsion, and they generate forward thrust, enabling the fish to swim efficiently. The shape and size of caudal fin vary among species, as you can see here. The next fin, the dorsal fin. They help in maintaining stability during swimming. And the next fins are the anal fin. They also function as to help stability and balance. They play a role in preventing the fish from rolling side to side and help in maintaining a straight swimming path. And the next function we see is the lateral line of these two fishes. They function as a sensory organ that runs along the side of the fish. The lateral line helps the fish detect changes in water pressure and vibration. This sensory information is crucial for navigation, locating prey, and avoiding predators. It essentially acts as an aquatic sonar system, allowing the fish to sense their surroundings in the absence of vision. So that's all the differences and similarities that I found between these two fishes, which is yellowtail scat and torpedo scat. I hope in this video that you understand to differentiate between these two fishes. And that's all from me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.